Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video and watch it, guys. We're doing fishing today. We're out here again. I'm gonna be on the ice. They're the same people that were in last week's video, Justin and Jenna. We're gonna be out on the ice with them. Actually, guys, I just got out of work. They're already out on the ice. They're already out there, and I can't believe I'm saying this right now, but legit, no joke, it's 12:10 right now in the afternoon. I just got out of work. They just called me 2 minutes ago. And they said that Jenna brought up an 11-pound northern through the ice on a tip-up. They weren't even done setting tip-ups yet. So the action's already started, and I'm missing out. So how about we stop this intro right now? Let's get out on the ice with them. I'm gonna gear up, put my chesty on, and I'll see you guys out there. This Northern Expanse expedition has just begun.
Got it? Oh.
Yeah, it's off to the side. All right, guys. First tip for me. Yeah. Ooh, take it. Yeah, we had to let it take it down. I don't know how big it is. It just means no pickerel. I lost one last time. I'm not going to do another. Just keep pressuring. This is small pickerel. Oh, there's a fish. Alright guys, sorry for any wind noise. Just got out here on the ice. I just pulled up a pickerel, as you just saw. I didn't get a chance to do the release on it because it was starting to bleed, so I just want to get back in the water, but it is fine, healthy. But I just want to show you guys what I was talking about. And we did see Jenna had an 11-pound, and I wasn't kidding. Look at that slide right there. That's just... Dad, how many inches was it? How many inches? That is a 34-inch, 11-pound northern. Not very long, but it is fat. It's been munching. But yeah, I am assuming it is going to be a pickerel, mainly a pickerel day today. I stopped a couple gentlemen out in the parking lot before I came out, and they said they hammer pickerel, like 20 to 25 pickerel today. So I'm expecting mainly that, but hopefully we can get a couple big northern, just like the one I just showed you. That make it a lot worth it. But yeah, that's it. Guys, just stay tuned. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you what, this day, I'm going to predict it now, either a lot of wind-blown flags, false flags, or a lot of pickerel. I'm glad Jenna was able to get that pike. I wish Dad was able to get on video, but we weren't able to, but you saw how big that was. We could get another one a little close to that size, maybe like anywhere from 6 to 10 pounds. If we could just get one more before the day's done, that'd be great. But again, like I said, I believe this is going to be a pickerel and wind-blown flag type of day. Guys, flag! Let it straight down. Yeah, nothing. Ever. Oh, minnow's gone.
I was gonna say, that one won't wind trip.
Minnow's gone. Alright guys, we're gonna put our shiners, our nice lively shiners, on the hook, as so. Look at, he's lively, he's ready to go down. We're just gonna drop him on down. Come on, swim down there. There we go. Just like that. And yeah. This bad boy down. Boom. There we go. If we get a fish, this thing right here will turn and the flag will pop up, and we'll get the job done that way. Meanwhile, over here, my dad's pop-up tent's blowing in on him.
You do need a rope.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I said. If we take a rope and tie it to the auger, the wind's not going to drag the auger.
You have a rope?
Yeah, we could do that.
For the auger and then
Yeah.
you got to right here.
Oh, we got a flag. Alright guys, got another flag. This one's a little closer to shore, farther out from our shanty. Let's see what we got here. Jenna, you want the honors? Oh, it's going, it's going. Take it. Oh, it's going. Go, take it.
You got it, don't worry.
Get her, coach. Another pickerel?
Got a pickerel. You going?
Oh, yeah! Let the release on this one.
How many minnows are left?
This little guy. I'd say close to like 8 to 10.
We can go with a new one.
Yeah, I think so. There he goes. See, guys, this is a problem we've been dealing with.
I thought we fixed it.
Okay. I'm so out of breath. We have not had any time to rest. Like, no time at all. No. Straight up and down. I think it was the wind that set it off. No, wind definitely set this one off. I saw a lot of wind flags, small baby pickerel. That's like gonna be the majority of our tip-ups today. All right, guys, get the release on him. Down. Come on, kick for me. Off he goes. Oh. Yeah, this one has a fish. It's just a pickerel. Not a bad one. Alright. Now we're gonna go check this one. Alright, got another flag. Get the release off this guy. There he goes. Alright guys, got another flag. This could be a good one. This wind is obnoxious. Holy crap. See, is it? Yeah, it's going. Oh, no, nothing on it. Nope. Another flag. Let's see if this was a wind tip, but I don't think it was. I positioned it so it shouldn't be a wind, huh? Well, just because you watch it go, it doesn't mean there's actually a fish on it.
It's magical.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, this feels nice. This feels nice. This feels nice. Oh boy, this feels big, Dad.
Oh.
This feels big.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We got a hog.
Don't let it go back. Push it like mine now.
Oh, I saw it. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Either that or a big pickerel.
Get this way. Yeah, come over here.
Oh yeah.
No, it's a big pickerel. That's
big.
a big pickerel.
It is.
Crap.
That is
That's a
big.
nice catch for a pickerel.
Nice.
Alright guys, just pulled this nice pickerel out of the ice. What was it, 4 pounds?
Yes.
It's a little over 4, 4.5. This is big for a pickerel. Like pickerel never get this big. This was a nice fish. This was a nice fish. So yeah, guys, that's a beautiful pickerel right there. But we're gonna let him go. Do you want to let it go? Dumb and Dumber are googling if we can eat this beautiful thing, because if we can, if they're good eating, then we're gonna pair it with that big northern pike that beautiful Jenna caught.
Beautiful Jenna. Thanks.
You're welcome. Shout out.
Shout out. Follow me on Insta.
All right, guys, we're keeping this bad boy. We're gonna throw it on the ice.
Yeah, we are.
Guys, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Cold. It's colder than a brick titty outside right now. Oh my God, it is freezing. Oh, guys, this is a good time. I'm just gonna say I want to put this out there for you guys. Recently I did a giveaway. I have a giveaway, it's more of like a thank you giveaway. I appreciate all of you guys. I want to give back to you, my love for you guys and all the support that you give me. So yeah, that giveaway is live right now. Next Monday, I'm going to be choosing a winner. One winner will receive everything that is in the post. If you have not seen the post, go back to my Instagram. Link is down in the description below at the top. Click on it, go like that post, do the rules to enter, and yeah, hopefully you can be a winner. Alright guys, we currently have 2 flags. Dad's over there. I don't know if we have, he's right there. I don't know if we have one on that one. But I got a flag up over here. Hopefully there's one on this one. Is it moving? Yep, I got a fish on here. Oh, this feels pretty good. Oh, that's another pickerel. Okay, 2 pickerels. Oh, you spit the hook. Look at that. Easy. You just spit it for me. All right, come on, buddy. We're going this way. In the hole he goes. Oh, come on. Come on, go. There we go. There he goes. Dad, what'd you get? What? Oh geez, we got 2 more flags over here. Well, we gotta check. You never know. Alright, I just hooked up on a small pickerel there. Dad, he caught a pickerel as well. Dad, how big is that? He's in his own world. Jenna, you got that flag? Well, these have been up. I'm just trying to keep my body warm. Is there anything on this one? Oh, it's not spinning. It probably was a wind alarm. Nope, nothing. Jenna, you got a wind trigger too? Yeah, Jenna wind triggered there. My hands are freezing. They're numb. It is cold out here in the northern expanse. We're there. No, Dad, those 2 out there are wind blown. I bet you that one's wind blown too. Okay. Well, we're going to this. Jenny, you want to come? Tip ups. Those 2 tip ups out there. I don't know if you guys can see. The wind just took them and I'm just sick of freaking. Yeah, you guys get the point. Now we're going to this tip up that Jenna is about to get. Hopefully there's a fish on it. I put money on it. It is just wind. God, it is windy! Nope, wind blown. As you see over there, my father is taking a piss right behind Justin. We're just having a splendid day out here in the northern expanse. Got another flag right here. We're gonna walk to it because I bet you it's a wind flag, but you never know. You just gotta check it. Could be a 10, 12 pounder on the end of the line. So you always gotta check your tip up. That's frustrating. Oh, I guess Dad's got it. Nope. Bobber's still there. No.
Yeah, we'll let you do it. I'll let you.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. We froze our butt off for you guys, try to put out some content for you. Overall, it was a good day, honestly. A lot of pickerel, a lot of action. Really had no time to rest and relax. Jenna caught a huge pike, 11-pound pike. That was a nice fish. Wish I could have saw it. Someone wasn't videoing, I don't know who, but names will not be named. Anyways, that is it for today's video, guys. I